Probability of an event happening. The probability rule. The probability of an event happening equals the number of ways it can happen over the total number of outcomes. We need to use this rule to answer the following questions. What is the probability of drawing a blue marble from the bag? First, I'm going to drag the marbles into the bag. I'm going to add 5 blue marbles and 3 green marbles. Here, as you can see here, in the blue section, it says the blue marbles in bag equals 5. And in the green section, it says green marbles in bag equals 3. And the total marbles in the bag equals 8. So to find the probability of drawing a blue marble, first we have to see the total amount of the event, which is what we're looking for, is the blue marble. As you can see, we have 5 blue marbles. So the first number is going to be 5. And under it, it's going to be 8 because that's the total marbles in the bag. So the answer is 5 over 8. What is the probability of 4 on a dice when rolling it once? First, I'm going to be rolling the dice. As you can see here, there's only one time that I can land on a 4. So the first step is the sample space. To find the sample space, you need to know the whole outcome when rolling a dice. As you can see here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The second step is the probability of 4. So there's only one time we can land on a 4 when rolling a dice, so the first number is going to be 1. The second number in the fraction, it's going to be 60 because that's the whole total outcome. So the answer is 1 over 6. What is the probability of flipping a coin once and landing on heads? First, I'm going to flip the coin, and you can see it lands on heads. The first step to solving this question is the sample space, which equals heads and tails. The second step is finding the probability of landing on heads. The first number of the fraction would be how many times the coin can land on heads. So it's going to be 1. The second number is going to be the whole total outcome of the coin, which is 2. So the final answer is 1 over 2. What is the probability of spinning a spinner and landing on an even number? So first I'm going to spin the spinner, and as you can see here that I landed on a 4. So the first step is to find the sample space. The sample space equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The second step is finding the probability of landing on an even number. So as you know, that even numbers are 2, 4, 6, and the odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5. But we're looking for the even number. So the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, which are 3 numbers. So the first number of the fraction would be 3. The second number would be 6 because that's the total outcome. So the answer is 3 over 6. But that's not the final answer because we have to simplify it. After simplifying it, the answer is 1 over 2. What is the probability of rolling a number less than 7 on a dice when rolling it once? The first step, I'm going to roll the dice. So you can see that it landed on a number less than 7. So first I'm going to find the sample space. The sample space is the total outcome. So the sample space equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The second step is finding the probability of rolling a number less than 7. So all the numbers that are less than 7 in the sample space are 6 numbers. So the first number of the fraction would be 6. The second number of the fraction would be the total outcome, which is also 6. So the fraction is going to be 6 over 6. But that's not all, because we have to simplify it. When we simplify it, the final answer is 1.